Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope that everybody fine. Today we're gonna prepare basbousa. It's so delicious. Let's get started. Okay, let's jump to the ingredients. We need 1 glass of sugar and 1 glass of orange juice, 1 glass of oil, and we need also 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, pinch of salt, and we need the zest and 250 gram of semolina and 16 gram of baking powder. Put the ingredients in a bowl. We start with the eggs, then we add the sugar and the oil and mix everything together. And then we add the rest of the other ingredients step by step until we finish all the ingredients. Pour some oil in this baking tray and spread it everywhere. Then sprinkle some semolina and pour the dough on it and bake it on the oven on 170 Celsius, 338 Fahrenheit, about 30 minutes from just the bottom. Then after 30 minutes, turn on the above and bake it for 5 minutes or until it becomes golden brown. And now we prepare the sauce. We pour it on the cake. When it is ready, we need a glass of water and a glass of sugar, 2 slices of lemon. We put everything in this bowl or in this pot and make it on the oven and let it about 10 minutes, and then we pour it on the cake. Now our cake is ready, but to make sure, insert the knife. If it is dry, that means our cake is ready. Then pour the sauce, pour it everywhere to become so soft and so sweety, and let it absorb the sauce. Then let it completely cool, and then decorate it and serve it. After 1 hour, I remove it from this baking tray and I will decorate it with zests. You can use any decoration you want. You can decorate it with coconuts, with the sugar powder, or you can use cream, or just leave it like this. It's okay. It's still amazing and sweet. I hope that you like this recipe and you will try it. You will find it easy and amazing because it's so soft and so sweety. I cut a slide to show you how it looks from the inside. So soft and so sweetie and so amazing. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe.